to do the coolest BB gun shots. My friend over here, Brady Felt, is going to be the guy who's going to be doing it.
Hey guys.
Yep, there he is up there. You guys ready? Let's get started. You just getting set up, Brady? Yep. Okay. He's a really good shooter.
You could say the best in the biz.
Yeah. We made a video. I made a video not too long ago how to use one. Okay, ready? Nails it. Oh, looks like he dries the smoke off. So how you feeling about this video, Brady?
Well, I'm feeling like he's gonna get a whole bunch of views.
Yeah, another thing, make sure to turn on notifications, leave a like and a subscribe. And make sure to put down a comment. And I make sure to give some more likes and subscribes, and I'll keep making videos like this. Okay? Looks like Brady's going for a risky shot. Think he can hit it? Oh, wow. You got this, Brady?
Yeah, it's gotta pump up the BB gun. It's gonna suck.
Okay. Yeah, it's a pump BB gun we use. We have to pump it about 10 times to get the good shot in. So, yeah. It's a really good BB gun. About a $70 BB gun.
Long shot time.
He's going to do a long shot. Okay, guys.
Dang it.
Oh, looks like he misses it by a little bit. Can I take a shot? Sure. Okay. Brady's going to hold it. I'm going to see if I can nail it.
So, Landon, remember when you kicked my butt in BB shooting?
Yeah.
Well, I was just letting you win by. I didn't want to embarrass you.
What?
Yep.
Dang it.
You didn't win fair and square. You really think I'd let you beat me?
Okay, we're about to prove it.
You're saying something?
Oops.
Give me that.
What we're going to do until someone can shoot that thing. We need to get our aim on. Brady, come on, nail that thing. You're the best in town. Nail it. You got to nail it, Brady. You're the best in town. The best in Mountain City. Yeah!
Finally!
He gets it off the mound. Brady, do you want the video to have some more?
Let's keep on going, buddy.
Okay. Have a little sprinkle going. I think we'll be fine though.
Okay. Yes.
Oh my. He's taking a really
No.
good shot. Oh, knocked down. Buddy, you know what would be epic? If you were to take a shot, you stick it up in that tree, wedge it up there,
That's what I'm thinking about doing after this one, buddy.
and shoot it. Whoa! You better go far back for this. That's a too easy of a shot. Come on back. He's pumping his BB gun, getting ready to shoot it. Here he goes. He's gonna take the shot. Oh, he nails it! Buddy, let me try this shot now, okay?
If you miss it, it'll prove that I'm better than you. Right there on the trampoline.
Okay, one.
As you can see, our little siblings kind of tore it up.
Yeah. Five. Wait, I'm going to say.
Now, the thing is, I pump it up to 10. He only pumps it up to 6, so that gives me a greater chance of winning.
I just pumped it up to 10. 10.
Alrighty. Mr. Higgins, how you feeling about this shot? Run, run.
It's nervous.
He's getting lucky so far. You're up.
Okay. We may have about 3 minutes left of this video because a video on what we're filming on can't go as long as a GoPro. Okay. How you feeling about this shot, buddy? Nail it right off that chair. I'm telling you, if you, buddy, I'm telling you, if you hit that chair, I may have to disqualify you. Oh no, I better get back before she shoots me. Looks like he misses. Looks like it's my turn. Give me this. I hit through something best.
Ready? Remember, right there.
Wait, shoot. I forgot to comment. Never do that.
Never ever pump a BB gun unless you've loaded it, because it won't count the pumps and you have to restart all over.
8.
Looks about like another minute. We're down to head in. It's starting to get a little downpour out here.
Yeah, after this shot, I'm probably going to head in and upload the video.
Here we go. And it's a miss. Give me that gun. All right, I'm going to prove you wrong.
Buddy, you have 30 seconds to hit this shot. Yeah, guys, make sure to leave a like and a subscribe. Turn on notifications. I'm just a beginner. I'm trying to get a lot of likes and subscribes. Right now, I'm only at 13, so.
I ain't one of them.
And I want to get more. Okay.
Dang it.
We
Alrighty,
missed.
guys.
So,
We'll take it off from here next time and see who can hit it. Have a nice night, y'all.
goodbye.